वेलकम टू शॉर्ट हैंड ट्यूटोरियल। आज के डिक्टेशन होगी grammalogues अरेंज्ड इन अल्फ़ाबेटिकली। बी रेडी। ए, एन, accord, advantage, a, all, and, any, are, as, ought, a, balance, be, because, been, behalf, belief, beyond, building, but, call, called, can, cannot, care, cared, cheer, cheered, cheer, cheered, child, circumstance, cold, come, could, dare, delivery, deliverance, difference, different, difficult, do, doctor, during, a, equal, equaled, first, for, from, general, generally, generalization, gentleman, gentlemen, given, go, gold, great, God, had, hand, has, have, he, him, himself, his, our, how, however, importance, important, impossible, improve, improved, improvement, in, influence, influenced, information, inscribe, inscribed, inscription, instruction, instructive, is, it, itself, justification, language, large, largely, larger, liberty, lord, me, member, mere, more, most, Mr., much, myself, near, next, nor, northern, number, numbered, o, off, on, opinion, opportunity, ought, our, ourselves, over, owe, owing, own, particular, people, pleasure, principle, principally, principle, put, quite, rather, remark, remarked, remember, remembered, satisfaction, school, schooled, selfish, selfishness, sent, several, shall, shalt, short, should, significance, significant, signification, signify, signified, southern, speak, specially, spirit, subject, subjection, subjective, sure, surprise, surprised, tell, thank, thanked, that, the, their, them, themselves, their, therefore, thing, think, third, this, those, though, thus, thyself, till, to be, told, to, towards, toward, trade, tried, truth, to, under, usual, usually, valuation, very, was, we, what, when, whether, which, who, whose, why, wish, wished, with, within, without, wonderful, wonderfully, word, would, writer, yard, year, you, young, viewer. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.